Would you dare to cast your line when the ocean is silent and the shadows are watching? The clock strikes 11:27 p.m. Only the crashing, waves and the faint glow of the moon. Two friends standing side by side on jagged rocks, holding their rods with steady hands. Every second in this silence feels longer. Suddenly, a pull, but not just any pull. Something deep, something heavy, something that fights back. Is it the monster of the trench, or just a giant snapper lured by courage and patience? They don't talk. They focus. Line tightens. Rod bends, and then snap!